Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to increase storage VirtualBox. To start, open VirtualBox. You are going to click on Tools. If you do not see this menu, you must activate it by clicking on File and in Tools, click on Virtual Media Manager. After that, select the virtual machine to edit and click on Properties. When doing so, at the bottom you can use the size slider to specify the new size. Click Apply. When you select the virtual machine, check that the size has been set. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.